Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be going over a personal project that I abandoned last year that I just called a multiplayer because I wanted to build a multiplayer game and also test out the networking aspect of a multiplayer game. I was using Photon Bolt at the time, and when I loaded it up this week to try to record a video for it, I realized that I could not connect to the Photon Bolt servers. So I did a little research, and either the Photon Bolt is deprecated and they upgraded to a new process or a new backend, or the servers are no longer being supported. I can change my username here. I'm going to type in my name, click submit, and then I'm going to click host game. Now, first of all, when I get in game, I can move DSAW. I'm going to press tab, and I'm going to see Brian, 0 kills, 0 deaths. This red 5 is supposed to be the health bar. That is me, that I cloned. I'm cloning this game object in the scene, which is what I'm actually moving now. I'm actually technically a cube. So if I also go here and click join game and click join game again, it won't join it again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over here, drag this here, and I'm going to shoot a little bit. So right now I have a custom Blender model pistol. Going to shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. And then this is a machine gun that I also did in Blender. So I want to point out something, that the machine gun can rapid fire while the pistol can only single click. And if, let me see if this still works. Okay, so I'm getting hit. I got hit one more time. I got hit, and you can see a death got added. I had trouble getting the kills unless it was a 1v1. So, if anything, that this game would have turned to a 1v1. But this was my demo, and thank you.